Hi my loves and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Omboy. I do content related to makeup, beauty, travel and lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this, kindly pause on the video first, hit the subscribe button to get to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new post. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this makeup look. I'm actually going to be showing you only the eye makeup. It's a very nice cut crease look that I created. So let's get into this video. So first, using my Eyeliner Pro Conceal that's in the shade Warm Honey, I am gonna pack that. I packed that on my eyelid, and then using a blending brush, I blended it out. The reason being, I'm gonna I use concealers as my base for my eyeshadow. So always prep your eyelids first using a concealer, or you can use an eye primer, and then using that purple shade, I'm gonna pack that on my crease area, which is gonna be my transition shade. If you haven't watched my step-by-step eyeshadow application tutorial for beginner, I'm gonna put that link up there so that you can go and watch that. I explained transition shades, crease area and all that. Like I did an in-depth explanation on how to apply eyeshadow, so you can check that video out. So I'm just blending it out using that small brush, pointed brush, and then I went in with this marble brush to blend out that outer part of the eyeshadow to my brow area, just blending it upwards towards my brows. And this brush is perfect for doing that because it's small, and it's very precise when blending out. And you can see there's a difference between the blended eye and the one that is not blended. You just can leave it like that without blending, so that's why you blend out, so that it doesn't look harsh. And because the shade got lost while I was doing that on the crease area, I went ahead and just added a little bit so that I can use that as my guide for it would guide me to cut my crease when I'm cutting my crease. So just added that there, and then just blended it out just a little bit, and ensuring that that shade doesn't get lost again. And you can see the difference when I added the shade on the crease area and this other eye that does not have the shade. There's a difference. So next, my favorite part, using a flat brush, I added the Warm Honey shade again. And then this is a trick I would recommend. Just put the concealer on your eyelid and then look up, so that you know that way you're gonna be able to know where you're supposed to cut your crease, especially if you have hooded eyes like mine. So this is a trick I would recommend. If you have a bigger working eyelid working space, the better, so you don't have to look upwards. At least that's way you don't have to have issues while cutting your crease. And always make sure you compare the two both eyes, so that you don't one eye doesn't look cut crease doesn't look a bit higher than the other one. They have to be both alike. And then I'm gonna use that blending brush to just blend out that concealer until it's a bit tacky, so that you can go in with your shimmer shade. Or yeah, I'm gonna use a shimmer shade in this tutorial. So you just tap as you blend, as in just tap it on your eyelid. And then I took my purple shade again and just added that to the outer part of the eye. And then after that, I blended it out towards my brow area and the crease area, so that it's not too harsh. And then next, I'm gonna now go in with the shimmer shade, so that we can now see how that cut crease is gonna look like. I'm using the Crayoline palette, mini palette. I'm gonna use that white shade, and I'm using a flat brush. This is a bit it's not this is not smaller and it's not big, it's just in between. and I'm using that to pack that shimmer shade on my eyelid. I would recommend a smaller brush than this one if you want to, when you're targeting that area where that line is. Yeah, I should have done that. I don't know why I did not do that. I'm sorry for that, but either way this still works. But always remember, you just have to take your time while doing this, while you're doing packing that shimmer shade, because you don't want to go outside the crease area, and you don't want to actually go out the crease area, and you don't want to mess that eye up, because you're gonna have to start all over again, and nobody got time for that. So just take your time to do this. And then I added now the purple shade again to just blend out the two shades together on the edges so that it can look seamless. And I just love this combo. I just thought of it. I wasn't even sure what I was gonna create that day. It just occurred to me. And then using that purple shade, I just smoked out my lower lash line. And then I also went ahead and I don't know why I'm nashinda nikinga hizo words. Yeah, I went ahead and used the Maybelline Kajal to add more depth to my lower lash line as well, to just smoke it out a little bit. And then I went ahead and just added some liquid eyeliner on my eyelids. And I wasn't gonna do a full length wing liner. It was just something small but a bit dramatic. You can see like how thick it is. And then I blended it out using the purple shade, and I also used a darker shade, a black shade, so that it can look smoked out, so that the smokiness can look more pronounced. And yeah, you guys, this is how the look turned out. I paired it with two lippies from Maybelline. I can't remember the shades, I'm gonna list them down. I added some lashes, and you can see how this look is bomb. Like, how beautiful is this cut crease, guys? And there you have it, my love. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you are obsessed with this look as I am obsessed, because by the time I was done creating this, guys, I was just screaming in the house. I was just so excited about this eye look, how it turned out, and with only 2 shades. I mean, like, it can't get any easier than that. So let me know in the comment section if you're gonna be recreating this look, if you're gonna be trying how to achieve a cut crease eye look. Leave a comment for me down on the comment section. I'm gonna list the products that I used in this video on my description box, so don't forget to check that out. Like, share this video out, and also if you haven't subscribed, kindly go ahead and do subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I put up a new post. We are trying to get to 300, and as at the time I'm recording this, we are at 285 subscribers. So let's get to 300, guys, by the end of this weekend. So until the next one, I love you all. Bye.